For over 2 decades, NAV Canada has demonstrated how an air navigation service provides value to all its stakeholders. Comme la croissance du trafic aérien continue de présenter des défis actuels et des occasions sans précédent, nos employés partagent l'engagement et le désir d'exceller sans cesse, assurant le mouvement sécuritaire et efficace d'un plus grand nombre d'aéronefs et innovant à petite et à grande échelle. This year, we responded to a 5.1% increase in air traffic volume, surpassed our best safety record, reduced customer service charges, licensed and certified 125 new air traffic controllers and flight service specialists, supported over 300 registered charities and non-profit community organizations, and for the 3rd year in a row, we're named one of Canada's top employers. Aviation customers, air travelers, communities affected by air operations, and society at large rely on us to perform our role to the highest standards. Nous prenons cette responsabilité au sérieux en améliorant continuellement la prestation des services et en aidant l'industrie à réduire son empreinte carbone. We collaborate with our stakeholders and look at new ways to improve operational efficiency with technology and procedural innovations, and to reduce the environmental and noise impact of our industry on our communities. We increased our partner projects this year and completed the deployment of our technology in the UK's London Terminal Control operation to help safely and efficiently manage air traffic in one of the busiest airspaces in the world. Nous aspirons à devenir un voisin exemplaire et un bon citoyen corporatif et encourageons et soutenons les employés participant à des activités communautaires. Together, we contributed $1 million to community causes and were recognized by Imagine Canada as a caring company for our excellence and leadership in community investment. We are preparing to expand air traffic surveillance with space-based ADS-B in 2019. Il s'agit de l'une des transformations les plus importantes de notre industrie, qui nous aidera à accroître la sécurité, l'efficacité et la durabilité du transport aérien. So much of what we accomplished in the past year has helped build a foundation for what's ahead by innovating for tomorrow.